Hello guys, welcome to the mathematics with exercise. Today is our fifth lesson and it is about solving simple equations. Solving equations. The process of finding the numerical values of letters such as x, y, a, b in an expression is called equation solving. Leaving the unknown alone, these x, y, a are called unknown. Pluses will go to the other side of the equation as a minus, and minuses will go to the other side of the equation as a plus. Let's find the unknowns in equation below. This x is called unknown. So if this 2 will go to the other side of the equation, it will go as a minus. It will go to the other side as a minus 2. It will change its sign, and this x is unknown. It will be leave alone on the one side. Now x, if I will transfer this 2 to the other side, it will be in minus 10 minus 2, so the x will be 8. Same in this question, x minus 1 is equal to 15. If it is in minus, it will be changed in plus to the, if I will transfer it to the other side, it will be in plus 1. So x is equal to, I will transfer this 1 to the other side, 15 plus 1. So the x is equal to 16. Here it is, our unknown is a is an unknown. So a plus 5 minus 7 is equal to 14. First I will solve this 5 minus 7. So a plus 5 minus 7 is 2 is equal to 14. Sorry, it is minus 2. Plus 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. Okay, I will solve it here for you people. A plus 5 minus 7, if I will 5 minus 7, it will give me minus 2 is equal to 14. Now I will transfer this 2 to the other side. It is in minus 2. If it will go to the other side, it will be in plus. So a is equal to 14 plus 2. So a will be 16. By dividing both sides of the equation by the coefficient of the unknown is letter like a, b, c, d, can be found by leaving it alone. Now as I told you in a previous question, it was plus and minus. Now it is multiplication and division. Now it is 3 multiplied by k is equal to 12. Dividing both sides with coefficient with 3, so this 3 will cancel each other, and 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12. So the value of k is equal to 4. You can also solve this question like this: 3 multiplied by k is equal to 12. If I will transfer this 3 to the other side, if it is in multiplication here, it will be go to the other side as a division. It will be like this: k 12 divided by 3. 3 1 3, 3 4 12. So k is equal to 4. You can solve it like this, you can solve it like this, as you wish. There are two types. You can solve it which one you want, which one is easy for you people. Now in this question, first I will solve this one. First I will transfer this 1. 4x plus 1 is equal to 21. If I will transfer this plus 1 to the other side, it will be go as a minus 1. So 4x is equal to 21 minus 1. What is remaining now? 21 minus 1 is equal to 20. 4x is equal to 20. Now I will transfer this 4 to the other side. Here it is in division. If I will transfer it to the other side of the equation, it will be in division. So 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. So x will be 5. You can also solve this like this question like this. It means you can divide it with 4 from two sides. It will give you the same result. If there is a number in the denominator of the unknown is the letter like x, y, z, the reverse operation, multiplication, will be done. Like in this question, x divided by 2 is equal to 5. 2 is in division in this question. If I will transfer it to the other side of the equation, it will be in multiplication. If I will transfer this 2 to the other side, it will be in multiplication. Then 5 multiplied by 2, then x, the result of the x will be 10. Same in this question. There is a 2x divided by 3 is equal to 6. First I will transfer this 3 to the other side. So 2x, 3 is in division. If I will transfer it to the other side, it will be in multiplication. So 2x is equal to 18. Now this 2 is in division, in multiplication. If I will transfer this 2 to the other side, it will be in division. Like 18 divided by 2, x will be 9. The number in the denominator of the unknown is the letter x, y, z, cannot pass to the other side of the equation before the plus and minus operation. There is false and true. I have solved it in the both true and false. So like this. Now x plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 11. So if there is a plus and minus, so first you have to transfer this one. First you have to solve this one. X divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 11. First I will transfer this one to the other side. It will be as minus 1. So if I will 11 minus 1 will be 10. X divided by 3 is equal to 10. So if it is in division, it will go to the other side of the equation as a multiplication. X is equal to 10 multiplied by 3 is equal to x equal to 13. It is in false. If I will first transfer these 3, then x plus 1 is equal to 3 multiplied by 11 is equal to 33. X minus x plus 11 is equal to 33. If I will transfer this one to the other side, it will be x 33. It is false. First I have to solve this one. First I have to transfer this one. Then I will transfer this x divided by 3 or x divided by 3. What is the x value that satisfies this equation? We have to solve this question. What will be the x? What will be the value of x that satisfies this equation? So first I have solved this one. This one is in minus. If I will transfer this one to the other side, it will go as a plus 1. So 2x divided by 3 is equal to 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 2x divided by 3 is equal to 6. Now this 3, it is in division. If it will go to the other side, it will go as a multiplication. So 2x is equal to 6 multiplied by 3. So it is 2x is equal to 18. Now I will transfer this 2. This 2 is in multiplication. So x divided by 18 divided by 2. X is equal to 9. I can also solve this question like this. I can also divide it 2 on the both side of the equation. This 2 will go with this 2 and 2 will be 9. It will also give you the same result. If you want, you can do it like this. If you want, you can transfer. Then you can find the value of x. Which one is easy, you can do that method. When solving the equation, the unknowns are added to one side of the equality and the numbers to the other side. If there are x's on the both side of the equation, like 2x is in this side and x in this side, so first I will add the x's on the one side and numbers to the other side. Now like there is a 2x and there is x, so I will transfer this x to this side and number to the other side. I will edit the x's on one side and the numbers to the other side. Like 2x, if I will transfer this x to this side, it is in plus. If I will transfer it to the other side, it will be in minus 2x minus x, and it is 1 minus 1. If I will transfer this one, it will go as a plus 1. So 5 plus 1. Now 2x minus x will be x, and 5 plus 1 will be 6, so the value of the x is equal to 6. What is the x value that satisfies the minus 4x is equal to x minus 30 equation? Now there is a x, it is minus 4x, x minus 30. I will transfer this x to this side, minus 4x. If I will transfer this x to this side, it will be minus x, and it will be minus 30. Minus 4x minus x, it will be minus 5x, and it is minus 30. Now I will transfer this minus 5 to the other side of the equation. Like x, it is a multiplication. If I will transfer it to the other side, it will go as a division. This plus will cancel each other, minus minus will be plus. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. The value of x is equal to 6. Now you can solve this question like this as well. It is minus 4x is equal to x minus 30. I will transfer this minus 4x to the other side and 30 to this side. You can solve it in the both methods, but in this method it will be easy for you people. Like minus 4x I will transfer to this side, and minus 30 I will transfer to this side. If I will transfer this minus 4x to the other side and 30 to this side, minus 30 will be plus 30, and x will remain like this, and minus 4x I will transfer to the other side, will be 4 plus 4x. It is in minus, on the other side it will go as a plus. So 30 is equal to 5x, and if I will divide both sides with 5, this 5 will cancel each other, and 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. 6 is equal to x. You will find the same result like this, and this x is equal to 6 is the root of this equation. It is the root of this equation. If I will put x is equal to 6 in the equation, it will satisfy this equation. It will give you the result. It will be on the both sides of the equation will be same. Let me check it. Okay, like if I will put 6 in the place of x, so minus 4 x will be 6. I will put 6 in the place of x, minus 30. This x is the root of this equation. It will satisfy this equation. Let me check it now. Minus 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to minus 24. Is equal to 6 minus 30 minus 24. It will give you the result on the both sides of the equation same. That's why this x satisfies this equation. It is the root of this equation. I will solve this kind of questions in further, so you can understand it well. Now in this question, what is the a value that satisfies the minus 2a plus 5a is equal to a plus 12 equation? In this question the unknown is a. Our unknown is a. Every time you will not find x, so you can find different unknown values. In this we have a value, so minus 2a plus 5a is equal to a plus 12. First I will solve this one. Minus 2a plus 5a is equal to 3a is equal to a plus 12. Now I will transfer this a to the other side of the equation. If it is in plus, on the other side it will be 3a minus a. It will go to the minus, is equal to 12. And 3a minus a is equal to 2a is equal to 12. Now if you want, you can transfer this 2 to the other side. It will be like a is equal to 12 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. A is equal to 6. Or you can also do it like this. 2a is equal to 12. You can also divide 2 on the both side of the equation. It will also give you the same result. A is equal to 6. So this A is the root of this equation. So the value of the A is 6. It will satisfy this equation. It is the root of this equation. What is the x value that satisfies the equation 5 multiplied by 2 minus 2 multiplied by 3x is equal to 5 minus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 7 equation. So first I have to solve the question, like there is multiplication, there is a bracket. First I will solve this multiplication, then I will find the value of x. Like 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 minus 2 multiplied by 3 is 6x is equal to 5 minus 3 multiplied by 2x. It is minus and it is positive, so the minus plus will give me minus. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6x minus 7. So it is 10 minus 6x is equal to 5. Minus minus will give me plus 6x minus 7. Now there is a minus 6x, there is plus 6x, so I will transfer this 6x to the other side and these numbers to this side. Or you can also do first solve this 5 minus 7, then you can solve this, or you can transfer all the question like this. Okay, now if I will transfer this minus 6x to the other side, it will be easy for me. Like 10, I will transfer this 5 to this side, it will be minus 5, and if I will transfer minus 7 to the other side, it will be plus 7, and this minus 6x will go to the other side as a plus, so it is plus 6x. Now 10 minus 5 plus 7, if I will 10 plus 7 is 17, minus 5 will give me 12, and 6x plus 6x will give me 12x. Now if I want, I can transfer this 2 to 12 to the other side, or I can divide the 12 on the both side of the equation. 12 will cancel each other and this 12 will cancel each other, so the answer will be 1 is equal to x. So the value of the x is equal to 1. You can also solve it like this, or you can also solve it the other method, like 12 equal to 12x. I will transfer this 12 to this side, so 12 multiplied by 12x, again this it will give you the same result. If the equation is 2 multiplied by x minus 3 plus x is equal to 3, then what is the value of x? First I will multiply by this 2 with x, then this 2 with minus 3. 2 multiplied by x is equal to 2x multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 minus 6 plus x is equal to 3. Now this number minus 6 will go to the other side, and x will be remain on this side. 2x plus x will be 3x, and this minus 6 will go to the other side, so it will be 3 plus 6, because it is in minus, so if I will transfer it to the other side, it will go as a plus. So 3x is equal to 9. I will transfer this 3 to the other side of the equation, so it will be 9 divided by 3, and 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, so the value of the x is equal to 3. This 3 is the root of this equation. It will satisfy this equation. So what is the value of x? It is x equal to 3. Find the value of the expression 3x minus 1 using the x value that satisfies the equation 2 multiplied by x plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 9. First I will solve this equation. I will find the value of x, then I will put the value of x here to solve this question. Okay, so let's start to solve this question first. 2 multiplied by x, I will multiply by this 2 with x, and then this 2 with 2. So 2 multiplied by x is 2x. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 plus 1 is equal to 9. So now first 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, so 2x 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Sorry, I will solve it like this. 2x 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 5 is equal to 9. Now I will transfer this 5 to the other side of the equation, so it will be in minus. So 2x 9 minus 5. I transfer this 5 to the other side. So 2x 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So now I will I will transfer this 2 to the other side of the equation. It will be x is equal to 4 divided by 2. So the value of 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. X is equal to 2. Now I will put this 2 in this quotient there. The value of the x is 2. So I will put this, it will be, I will put it here. So if I will put this 3 multiplied by x minus 1, the value of the x is equal to 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 minus 1. 3 twos are 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. It is triangle and it is square. So the side of the equilateral triangle and square given in the figure above are equal to each other. These sides are equal to each other. So what is the value of x? Like 2 threes are 6. 6 x plus 1 is equal to 9x. It is given the sides of the equilateral triangle and square given in the figure above are equal to each other. These are equal to each other. So what is the value of x? Now I will find the value of x. Now first I will multiply by 6 with x plus 1. So it is 6x plus 6 is equal to 9x. Now I'll transfer this 6x to the other side of the equation and 6 will remain here. So 6 will remain here. 9x minus 6x. So 6 is equal to 9x minus 6x. It will give you 3x. So it is like this, 6 is equal to 3x. Now I will transfer this 3 to the other side of the equation. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to x. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 2 is equal to x. So the value of the x is equal to 2. What is the x value that satisfies the 3 minus x minus 3 is equal to 1 equation? Let me first I will multiply by this minus to the inside the bracket. 3 minus x is equal to minus x, minus minus will give you plus. 3 is equal to 1. Now 3 plus 3 1. I will transfer this minus x to the other side of the equation and 1 to this side of equation. So 3, if I will transfer this minus x to the other side, it will be plus x. Plus 3 is here, and I will transfer this 1 to this side of the equation. It will be minus 1. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Minus 1 is equal to 5. Like this. 6 minus 1 is equal to x. And 6 minus 1 is equal to 5x. So the value of the x is equal to 5. Same kind of question is there. What is the x value that satisfies the equation, this equation? So first I will solve the equation because there are some multiplications, some brackets. So first I will multiply them. First I will multiply by 2 with 2 plus hex with whole bracket. So 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4 plus 2x plus 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4 plus 4 multiplied by x is equal to 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now there are two x's. 2x plus 4x will give me 6x. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 6x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now I will transfer this 6 to the other side of the equation. So if it is in plus, it will go as a minus to the other side of the equation. 6x is equal to minus 6. Now it is in multiplication. On the other side it will go as a division. Minus 6 is equal to 6. Those 6 will cancel with each other. So the value of the x will be minus 1. If the equation is 3 multiplied by bracket, that is the 2 plus 3 multiplied by x plus 5, and the other side of the equation, this is equation equal sign. So the other side of the equation, again 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x minus 1 minus x. First I have noticed like this, there is a 3 in this side of the equation and there is 3 in the front of this equation. So if I will divide 3 on the both side of the equation, so they will cancel each other. Or you can also do it like this, 2 plus 3 multiplied by x plus 5 bracket 3 multiplied by 2x minus 1 minus x. This 3 in multiplication, if I will transfer it to this side, it will be go to as a division. So it will go to this side as a division and it will go from this side. So 3 will cancel each other. You can also do it like this. You can multiply by this 3 to the inside of the equation, inside the bracket. It will give you the same result. But if I will do it like this, if I will cancel it, it will be easy for me. Now I can solve this question very easy. Now 2 plus 3, I will multiply by this 3 on the inside of the equation. 2 plus 3x, 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15, is equal to 2 multiplied by x is equal to 2x minus 2 minus x. 2 plus 3x plus 15, 2x minus 2 minus x. So it is minus x and it is 2x. If 2x minus x will give you x minus 2 plus 3x plus 15. Now I will transfer x to this side of the equation and these numbers to the other side of the equation. So 3x, I will transfer this x to this side of the equation, minus x, and minus 2 minus 15 minus 2. 3x minus x, it will give you 2x, because if I will subtract x from 3x, it will give me 2x. Minus 2 minus 50 minus 2 will give me minus 19. So now I will transfer this 2 to the other side of the equation. It will be minus 19 divided by 2. So the value of the x will be minus 19 divided by 2, because 19 can't be divided by 2. So that's why it will be remain like this. So the value of the x is equal to minus 19 divided by 2. Now let's come to the root of the equation and solution set. What is the root and what is the solution set? The unknown value in the equation is called the root of the equation. The value which is x, y, z, a, b, c, the value of that is unknown. So the value of that is called the root of the equation. And root is the value that satisfies the equation. The root is that value that satisfies the equation. Now I will solve some example. Let's find the root of the following equations. First I will multiply by this 2 to the inside of the equation. 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. 2 multiplied by minus 2x will be 4x, and x minus 5. Now it is x, I will transfer this x to this side, or if I will transfer this minus 4x to the other side of the equation, it will be easy for me, because it is the big number, it is a minus, so I will try to make it positive. So I will transfer this 5 to this side of the equation. 10 plus 5 x minus 4x will be plus 4x to the other side of the equation. So 15 and 5x. This 5 will go to the other side of the equation as a division. So the value of the x is 3. The value of the x is equal to 3. Let's find the root of the following equation. The root of this equation is equal to 3. This unknown, that this 3 is the root of this equation. It will satisfy this equation. So solution set of this equation 3. The solution set of this equation is 3 because the root is 3. So it will be the solution set of this equation. Now let me solve this question. A is equal to a multiplied by minus 1 plus minus 1 is equal to 6. If I will, this plus and minus will give me minus 1 plus minus 2 is equal to 6, and a will be multiplied to the minus 1 and minus 2. Let me multiply it. A multiplied by minus 1 is equal to minus a minus 2a will be 6. So minus a minus 2a minus 3a is equal to 6. This minus 3 will go to the other side of the equation as a, if it is in multiplication, it will go as a division. 6 divided by minus 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So the answer will be minus 2. The root of this equation is minus 2. So solution set of this equation is minus 2. If the root of the equation 7 multiplied by 3 minus 2x plus a is equal to 10, if x is equal to 1, then what will be the value of a? In this question, the x is also given, a is also given. First, the x is given is equal to 1. I have to find the value of a. I will put this x is equal to 1 in here in the equation, then I will find the value of a. Let me write the question. 7 multiplied by 3 minus 2x plus a is equal to 10. Now x is given, x is equal to 1. I will have to find the value of a. So 7 multiplied by 3 minus 2, value of x is equal to 1 plus a is equal to 10. 3 minus 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2, and 3 minus 7 multiplied by 3 minus 2a. 3 minus 2 will give me 1 plus a is equal to 10. Now 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7 plus a is equal to 10. Now I will transfer this 7 to the other side of the equation, like a is equal to 10 minus 7. So the value of a is equal to 3. It is finished. Let me see you in the next video.